In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Squarespace account and publish your website. Whether you're looking to make your website public for the first time, or you're ready to move to a plan that fits your needs, we'll walk through the process step by step to get you there without any hiccups. Let's begin by navigating to the Squarespace dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that to open up a range of settings specific to your account and site. Next, you'll want to find and select the Billing and Account section. This is where you can manage your subscription details and need to go if you wish to make any changes to your account status. When you open the Billing and Account section, you'll see the option to upgrade to publish. Clicking on this will lead you directly to the pricing page where all of Squarespace's plans are outlined. Here, you'll find plans tailored to different needs, like a personal or a business plan. Think about what fits best for you in terms of features and budget. Whether you're managing a personal blog or a small business storefront, Squarespace has a variety of plans to cater to different requirements, so take your time to assess the options available. Once you've decided on a plan that works for you, it's time to choose your billing cycle. You can opt for either an annual or a monthly billing cycle. An annual payment often comes with some savings, allowing you to manage your budget more effectively. Enter your payment information carefully, ensuring your details are all correct to avoid issues with processing your upgrade. After completing your payment, the transition should be smooth, and you'll notice that the public option becomes available in your site availability settings. This is an essential step towards making your website accessible to the world. Now, if you haven't secured a domain yet, worry not. Squarespace makes it easy to purchase one through their platform. Or if you already have a domain from another provider, you can connect it using the Domains panel found under the settings. Keep in mind that when you connect a domain, it may take up to 72 hours to fully propagate. This propagation time is essential as it allows your domain to properly align with Squarespace's system, making your site accessible under your chosen domain name. Once your domain is all set up, and possibly after waiting for propagation, you can finally set your site to public. This setting change will make it possible for visitors to access your site using the domain name you've configured. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully upgraded your account and made your site public, all set to engage with your audience effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing!